Let's finish this Among Us character by making him look like this or like this. Entertaining Blender tutorials that keep rolling. Sub. Let's go and adjust his leg. He's got so good feet like my friend SpongeBob. Bring that scary face out. Scaling it one at a time. Then the full head. His head could have some curves, maybe round, but not like a melon. Make the hands little bit fat. Backpack. Now making the glass on the suit. I gotta make his glass nice and sleek. This guy's gotta be smoothest criminal there. I'm gonna. Then P selection, select roughness 0.102, transmission 1. In short, it makes it glass or transparent. I want to keep this white and the full body red. So I'll select, press P, selection, plus icon, new. The default is white, which is here, base color. So leave it. Subsurface red, it will be slightly red when light reflects on it. Select poly body, plus icon, new, base color, change it to red. Inserting a design on the suit. Press P. Oops, error. Okay, selecting first, then minus, new, little roughness 0.137, transmission, emission, little light 0.757, little light, environment dark, the full 3D space, not the character. Emission light of the character, hide glass, then delete this part. Bring it back, duplicating it. 1 we want transparent, second we want it blue color. Change it to other material of new. Change it to cycle. Roughness 0.053, 0.075, full red. Shade smooth all, one by one. Some of you can stop here or detailing the suit like what I'm doing now. Go to texture paint, name as in front of it, star 2 again. OK, shading, adding image texture. Select S you named previously in the texture paint. Paint red color. OK, now go to the other side. Brush mask, new, type, select noise. Blue, red, type, cloud, reduce strength, small brush, let's go shading, random walk, Search RGB color to subsurface radius, subsurface 0.1, metallic red again. Don't forget to save. In short, making it like that. Apply all the mirror modifier. Shade smooth. Done. See you in the next tutorial over here.